What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be telling you about which one to pick if you're going with the WooCommerce. Whether to go with the Mailchimp or whether to go with the Brevo. So Brevo, in terms of the pricing thing, Brevo charge you according to the email volume that you send. But on the other hand, when we talk about the Mailchimp charge you for the contacts you have in the contact list. So even if you have one contact in two different lists, it will count as two different contacts. So this is something with the Mailchimp, but in terms of the features, if you're comparing both of them in feature point of view, the Mailchimp comes with the AI, it comes with the analytics, deep insights, and all that stuff. And on the other hand, Brevo does not comes with those analytics and features, but it comes with a high volume sending and receiving rate. So Brevo is great for sending high volume, emails and all that stuff. But Mailchimp comes with, so if you want to go with one of them, and what is the purpose of changing onto one platform onto the another, there is only one thing that you need to consider. If you are sending, if you have a high volume of WooCommerce store that has 20,000 or maybe 10,000 contact lists that you want to send email once or twice a week only. So in that point of view, our best option is to go with is Brevo, because it will only charge you once you send the email. But if you want, and it does gives you the unlimited contact option. You will never charge for growing your list or having duplicate contacts in different segments all in one transaction. Order confirmation and shipping updates are included in your main plan, keeping everything under one roof. So these are all the things that comes with the Brevo, but I would personally say use Brevo if you are an SMB or a growing WooCommerce store looking for a predictable cost and unified. Use Mailchimp if you are an unestablished brand that needs advanced segmentations and automation to squeeze more revenue out of a smaller premium audience. That's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.